And I just want to make sure that you understand what it takes. I just want to make sure that you understand that you can make money from trading at a young age. Yo, man, what's good? Happy Saturday. It's 1 p.m. in my country's time. But, it's going to be a solid day. It's going to be a solid day. Even though it's Saturday, even though it's weekend, we got to grind, okay? We got to grind. We got to get towards our goals. We got to just lock in always. And the reason why I record this video is to motivate you, innovate you, educate you. That's how it goes, okay? You got to lock in yourself as well if you haven't yet. And I think weekends keep people weak. Let's be honest. I know, you may want to chill a little bit, but time is money, bro. Time is money. And we got to make the most out of the day. We got to make the most out of the day, always. We got to win the day. And I've said this many times. How can one person win a day? Well, me personally, I have goals. I have tasks in a day that I need to complete. And if I complete those tasks in the day, then I will win the day. And if you win the day, you can win the week. If you win the week, you can win the month. And obviously, if you win the month, you can win the year. And if you manage to win the year, you're balling. You're at your goals. Just think about it. It's all in your mind, because your mind is what keeps you either powerful or weak. Little piece of advice. But, that's how it goes. But yeah, for the people who don't know, who am I? I'm a profitable day trader. I've been day trader for 3.5 years. I was losing for 2 years, but now I've been profitable for 1.5 years consistently. That's a quick little story, but obviously there's more than that. But that's just if you're a new person in my channel. But yeah, I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. But yeah, let's get this popping. But bro, if you made it this far already, think about it. Most of the people already clicked off of this video. If you made it this far, shout out to you. But yeah, regardless, let's continue. Saturday. It's pretty much almost morning. I know it's kind of noon, but yeah. Let's get it popping. I literally just read some book for 30 minutes. And yeah, let's just keep the momentum. I have some tasks that I need to complete. Yeah, man. Let's go full force. Let's win the day. By the way, I'm not trying to scare you, but have you noticed how fast time moves nowadays? To be honest, that should scare you. That should most definitely scare you and question you. If you think about it, nowadays, most of the people, I'm literally talking about 95% of the people, of the population, is wasting their time. They're not taking advantage of their time towards their goals. If you think about it, there's short form content everywhere. There's TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. And I don't want you to be one of those people who waste their time, because time is valuable. Time is what life is made of. You have so much potential, bro. You have so much potential. You have the potential to become a profitable independent trader. You have the potential to literally start a business or build muscle or do something productive, okay? You have the ability and the potential. Do not waste it, bro. Do not waste it. And when I say that time moves fast, it is absolutely correct. And you have noticed that too, right? Now, you just gotta be optimistic. View it with positive. Okay, think about it. Time moves fast, right? But it's easy to waste time. But it's also easy to utilize time and take advantage of your time towards your goals. Think about it. It's so easy. Just look at me. I'm also going towards my goals. I'm recording this video. And if you think about it, bro, it's easy to go towards your goals because time moves fast. If you're not profitable in trading, you can literally just go backtest. Do a weekend market analysis. Check the news. Okay, I can just literally go here. Okay, literally I can just check Monday. There's no news. Plus, first trading day of the week equals to lower volume. Do not waste time. And that is just a fraction. That is just an example, okay? You gotta just see it, okay? You just gotta not waste your time, okay? Do something productive. Always produce, do not consume, okay? That's what makes a successful person. That's what literally all these millionaires, billionaires say. The only few things you should actually consume is knowledge, wisdom, and good food, okay? Nothing else. Focus, bro. Produce. Yo, what's good, man, bro? Quick little update. It's about to be 9 p.m. I know you might wonder, what the hell is going on? Weren't you just starting this video? Weren't you just saying that it was 1 p.m.? Well, technically, yes. But, it's Saturday. The markets aren't open, unless you trade crypto. But I don't trade crypto. I used to trade crypto. I'm just pretty much off my duty. But obviously, you always have to develop. It doesn't matter what day it is. There's always tasks to do. So, me personally, I read some book today. I didn't record that because, I don't. Maybe I could record myself reading, but I think that's just too much. Let's be honest, that's just too much. I did some unfinished business. I was editing some videos for YouTube, and pretty much I was just updating my Discord, my students. I have a one-on-one private mentoring chat. I'm teaching them, my students as well there. And now I'm just finishing up with this video through sent to you. And I'll always make sure that I will motivate, innovate, and educate you behind the screen. This week was profitable, good week, day trading week. I didn't even take that many trades, but it was solid. The week before that was solid. We've been just killing it, man. And now it's just the beginning of October. But the months have been crazy. We've been freaking killing it in these markets. I'm not here to flex on you. I'm always bringing the reality. You see me, bro, you see me. I'm showing my losses. I'm showing my break-even trades. I'm showing my winners. Why? Because I want to show what it takes to become a profitable independent trader, even at a young age. Yeah, it was Saturday, super chill Saturday. I could be out there drinking, having fun, which is completely fine. And I like to, sometimes party. Don't get me wrong. I'm not an introvert. Look, man, I could be out there, okay? Matter of fact, I have friends who invite me to those. Sometimes I'm just like, I gotta get my priorities right, okay? Because I've said this before, but I do enjoy grinding. I don't know what it is. I just enjoy working on myself. I just enjoy developing, making sure that my students are making money, making sure that I'm making bread, and developing my skills. Everybody can choose how they want to spend their time. But me personally, I like to enjoy and sometimes have some fun. But yeah, super chill Saturday. As you see, I'm not one of those day traders who need to fake everything, like show their highlights. You see these freaking Instagram gurus only showing their highlights. These traders, the realistic day in the life of a Forex trader, and they just show their highlights, bro. This is like a point of view, This is a point of view showing the reality, point of view of a profitable young day trader, okay? And I just want to make sure that you understand what it takes. I just want to make sure that you understand that you can make money from trading at a young age. You can choose how you want to spend the money, but you can also make the money work for you. And then later, you can use the money to what the fuck you want, okay? That's like what I like to do. But I like to first make sure that the money is working for me as well, because you need to understand that trading is active income, a really good one, okay? If you master it, if you're profitable, making consistent payouts or profits or withdrawals, really good active income. But then later you have to figure out what you want to do to make the money work for you. This is not like financial advice. This is not like the business advice. But you have to understand that money is powerful. But the main thing you need to be focusing on is get the active income first. For me, it's trading, most definitely. You need to get some good money from trading. That's what I'm working on currently, I have days when I make $700. My biggest day is $1,500. Ain't no time to relax, man. And just make sure your risk management is correct. Make sure you make more money always compared to your losses. Make sure you have a good win rate. Master the strategy. Pretty much that, okay? But yeah, man, this was, solid, realistic point of view of a day trader on Saturday, okay? I'll see you tomorrow on Sunday. And let's just have a great ass weekend. And let's prepare for the great ass trading week. Join the free Discord if you want to get the free access to the course. Free community. Free lucky wheel you can spin every single day. Alright, as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.